1548 Biltmore update video. It's raining today, so I'm not gonna stay outside too long, but we're getting a lot done. Let's go inside. So in the basement here, you got the old, say hey Matt.
Hey.
This is Matt too, two Matts. It's kind of confusing. But this is all, he's taking this out, put a new one in over here. So you can see he's plumbing, so you're plumbing for the shower and the
toilet.
yeah, and there's your new water heater. So you'll have this done today, tomorrow?
Today?
The whole house?
No, not the whole house.
Careful what you say yes to. So yeah, you can see here he's running PEX, which we like. There's the open electrical box. And let's go upstairs here. You guys see what we did with the bathroom to lay it out right. So it's gonna be a vanity right there. We'll put the toilet here, and then we'll put in the shower back here. So that'll all work out really good, and it'll be functional. They got these walls all prepped. He's painting, but all that's getting done. Your recessed lights are all working. It'll be a nice house. He's getting this painted. You wanna say hey?
Hello.
Nice guy, he's been with us for a long time. And then you can see here they started doing the closet here. So this closet's getting all put in so we can make this a bedroom. And here's your blinds. Let's go into the bedrooms here. Here's the bedrooms. They're all, you got to go through. This is a first coat. We'll have another coat on there, but you can see what color it's going to be. Same thing here. Get it all nice and done. The blinds are here. It's gonna be a nice house when it's done. It really is. So let's go down here and here. So all this. We're gonna get all these sprayed. All this is gonna get sprayed. We decided to do that. It'll look a lot better. So again, this is your update video. I'm Brett. Call me if you need me. 216-703-5740. Thanks and have a great day.